Dear students, welcome to s.mathguru classes. So our main discussion is linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient. If right hand side is uh, exponential, we get a particular integral one type, and the right hand side is algebraic, we get another types, some different forms given. And today we discuss another types. If right hand side this one given y minus 1 e to the power x, this one given, how to solve this type of problem. Now let us consider this problem. Solve d square minus d dash minus 2 d dash square z equal to this. Now solution is start. So first we consider auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? M square minus m into 1, 2 into 1 square equal to 0. We putting d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. So this implies m square minus m minus 2 equal to 0, m square minus twice m plus m minus 2 equal to 0, m common, m minus 2, 1 common, m minus 2 equal to 0, then m minus 2, m plus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to 2, m equal to minus 1. We get this is the values of m. These are the values of m, 2 and minus 1. Now we have to write complementary function. Complementary function equal to f1. F1 we get y plus twice x plus f2 y minus 1x. This one are complementary function. Now we find particular integral. Particular integral equal to this one, 1 by d square d dash 2 d dash square y minus 1 e to the power x. We consider this is particular integral. Now if we factorize this, by factorizing we get this is, if we factorize here, then d square minus d dash minus 2 d dash square. So this equal to d dash minus 2 d dash plus d dash minus 2 d dash square, and d common, d minus 2 d dash common, d minus 2 d dash, and this is d minus 2 d dash and d plus d dash. So we get this one. So this will be d plus d dash and d minus 2 d dash y minus 1 e to the power x. This one we get. Now we have two factors, d plus d dash and d minus d dash. By saying this, d plus d dash, d minus d dash, so we putting this one for y, putting y equal to, so here I putting y equal to, this is c minus twice x. Here d minus twice d dash, we putting just, this is c, this is twice x, y equal to c minus twice x, and putting the value here. So when you putting this value, then we get integration, 1 by d dash, remove this and putting this value, and we get integration, y means c minus twice x minus 1 e to the power x dx. We get this one. Now we integrate this, integrating by parts. If we using by parts formula, this is first function, this is second function, c minus twice x minus 1 integration e to the power x dx minus integration d dx of first function integration second function dx into dx. We know this by parts formula. I want to write the by parts formula here. Integration fx into gx dx. This is fx integration gx dx minus integration ddx of fx integration gx dx into dx. We know this. So by parts formula, this is first function, second function, first function integration second minus integration ddx of first, integration second, and this dx. This is first function integration second minus integration ddx of first function and integration second dx. So this will be 1 by dd dash, and this is c minus twice x minus 1 integration e to the power minus e to the power x. This is 0, this is minus 2, 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 0, and this is e to the power x, and this dx here. We write this. So 1 by d plus d dash, and this is c minus twice x minus 1 e to the power x, and this minus plus, and integration e to the power x means e to the power x. So minus 2 e to the power x. So we get this. So here d plus d dash, and we putting what we putting here, y equal to c minus twice x. Actually this is y equal to c minus twice x, and the value of c will be y plus twice x. Now we putting here c equal to y plus twice x minus twice x minus 1 e to the power x minus 2 e to the power x. We get this. So initially consider y equal to c minus twice x, then the value of c twice x taking this side, y plus twice x, we get this. So 1 by d dash, twice x cancel, and y minus 1 minus 2 e to the power x, we get this minus 1 minus 2. So this is 1 by d dash y minus 3 e to the power x. Now here we get d plus d dash. So we putting y equal to c plus x. First d we putting c, and this is x. Just assume this one, y equal to c plus x. So when you putting this value y equal to c plus x, and this will be integration. Integration y means c plus x minus 3 e to the power x dx. Again using by parts formula, this is c plus x minus 3 integration e to the power x dx minus integration ddx of c plus x minus 3 integration e to the power x dx into dx. So this is c plus x minus 3 integration e to the power x means e to the power x, and this is integration, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, then 0 plus 1 minus 0 e to the power x dx, and this is c plus x minus 3 e to the power x, this is again we get e to the power x. So putting the value of c here, putting the value of c means y minus x. So we putting y equal to c plus x, and the value of c y minus x. If we putting here y minus x plus x minus 3 and e to the power x minus e to the power x, this x cancel, y minus 3 minus 1 e to the power x. here this is -2 minus plus we get, but I have written minus. This will be plus, this is plus, and this is, if we taking e to the power x common, then this is plus, and this is plus 1 we get, plus 1, and this is c plus x plus 1, then this is plus 1, this 1 plus 1, this is one mistake here, plus 1, and this is 0, and this one plus 1, this one, this is plus 1, plus 1 minus 1, then finally we get y e to the power x. So here I have mistake this one, this is minus plus, then I have written minus, then this all of this plus, and this is y e x we get. Hence the required solution is, and z equal to cf plus pi. This implies z equal to cf means f1 y plus twice x, f2 y minus x, and pi means y e to the power x, y e to the power x, and this is our final answer. Very easy solution, but initially I have mistake here, ultimately this will be correct, and this is the final answer of the given problem. Another problem, solve del square z del x square plus del square z del x del y minus 6 del square z del y square equal to y cos x. Now solution, first we write this d square d dash minus 6 d dash square z equal to y cos x. Auxiliary equation m square plus m into 1, 6 into 1 square equal to 0. Just putting d equal to m, d dash equal to 1. This equal to m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. M square plus thrice m minus twice m minus 6 equal to 0. We factorize this. M common, m plus 3 minus 2 common, m plus 3 equal to 0, m plus 3, m minus 2 equal to 0. So m equal to minus 3, m equal to 2 we get, 2n minus 3 we get. Therefore, complementary function equal to f1 y plus twice x, f2 y minus thrice x. We get this is the complementary function. Now particular integral, this is 1 by d square d dash minus 6 d dash square y cos of x. We get this. Now if we factorize this denominator, then we get, d minus twice d dash and d plus this is thrice d dash y cos x. If we factorize this, we get this. You can check here also, d square d dash minus 6 d dash square, this is d square plus 3 dd dash minus 2dd dash minus 6d dash square. D is common, d plus 3d dash, twice d dash common, d plus 3d dash, and d plus 3d dash, d minus twice d dash, we get this. So we get this one. Now for solving this, here d minus 2d dash, d plus 3d dash, so I putting here, I putting y equal to c plus thrice x. D plus 3d dash given, we putting y equal to c plus this. So if we putting y equal to this, then 1 by d twice d dash, and this we remove, we putting this one integration. In place of y, we putting c plus thrice x into cos x dx. We get this one. This one remove. By removing this, we get integration, and y is we putting c plus 3x. If we integrate this, integrating by parts, then first function, second function, first function integration cos x dx, this is second function, integration ddx of first function, integration second function dx into dx. So this is 1 by d 2d dash c plus thrice x, integration cos x means sin x. So integration, this is 0, this is 3 into 1, ultimately 3, integration cos x means this is sin x dx, we get this. Now 1 by d 2d dash c plus thrice x sin x minus 3, integration sin x means minus cos x, we get this one. Now putting the value of c, actually y equal to, we putting c plus thrice x, the value of c y minus thrice x. So 1 by d minus 2d dash, this is c means value of c y minus thrice x, this is thrice x into sin x plus 3 cos x, we get this. And this is 1 by d minus 2d dash, 3x 3x cancel, y sin x plus 3 cos x, we get this one. Again we putting y equal to c minus twice x. Here d minus 2d is given, we putting c minus twice x. So if we remove this, then integration we get, and in place of y we putting c minus twice x. This is sin x plus 3 cos x dx, and this is integration c minus twice x sin x dx plus 3 integration cos x dx. Using by parts formula, c minus twice x, this is integration sin x dx minus integration ddx of c minus twice x, integration sin x dx plus 3 integration cos x means sin x. So this equal to c minus twice x, integration sin x means minus cos x, integration, this is 0, this is minus 2, minus 2 into 1 0 2 minus 2 into 1 integration sin x means minus cos x plus 3 sin x we get, and this equal to, and putting the value of c y plus twice x. So y plus twice x minus twice x minus cos x, this is minus minus plus again minus, and 2 integration cos x plus 3 sin x. So 2x cancel, and this is minus y cos x, 2 integration cos x means sin x plus 3 sin x. So minus y cos x plus sin x. This is the particular integral, minus y cos x plus sin x, we get this. Hence, the required solution is z equal to cf plus pi. Z equal to cf means f1 y plus twice x plus f2 y minus thrice x, and this is minus y cos x plus sin x, and this is the final answer. So dear students, these are very interesting, very easy, very important also for exam. So if you are getting interest, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.